Namaskar. I am Dr. Saurabh Mishra. I practice diabetology in Kanpur, specifically from area where I am practicing. The specific need at the point is that we should have a patient-centric approach with glycemic variabilities taken into action. So today in RSSDI, I was given a topic to speak on hypoglycemia unawareness, which is a big issue in our country. Hypoglycemia unawareness means a person is not able to know about the hypoglycemic symptoms, and when he is not knowing, how can we treat it? So for hypoglycemia unawareness, we have to have certain gadgets. We can go for glycemic variability checkups by continuous glucose monitors. So these continuous glucose monitors check all throughout. They measure the sugar all throughout the day, right from the beginning of the day till he goes till the sleep. He is working, he is taking medicine, he is taking his diet, he is doing exercise, he is taking insulin. A continuous glucose monitor is going to monitor the sugar all throughout, and interstitial glucose, when monitored properly, it gives exact values and the hypos can be detected easily. So this might be a better tool to address. But how to address to our friends who is having diabetes? So glycemic variability in date at present is the best thing to be understood by some local Hindi language. How do I talk to my patients? I am going to discuss over here. So I am going to speak in Hindi language. मैं उनसे कहता हूं, देखिए आपकी दिनचर्या में आपके उठने से लेकर रात में सोने तक कई बार ग्लूकोज का उतार चढ़ाव होता है. इसको हम लोग 4-5 जांचों से सही से नहीं जांच सकते. तो एक सेंसर मैं आपके यहां लगाता हूं जो आपके शुगर को इंटरस्टिशियली डिटेक्ट करता है, ग्लूकोज को, और लगातार हर 5 मिनट में या 15 मिनट में उसको प्लॉट करता है. और आप कई बार कई सेंसर से रियल टाइम भी देख सकते हो कि आपका ग्लूकोज कितना है. इससे हमें आपके बारे में ज्यादा जानकारी मिलती है और हम आपकी और अच्छे से फिटिंग देते हैं. As if a tailor is doing. If we are going for a ready-made fit, we only give a measurement of the shoulders, 42, 40, XL, double XL. और जब टेलर पे आप जाते हो तो he gives a fitting. He takes several measurements. So the same way he understands. Okay, doctor, now I understand why this glycemic variability is creating a problem in me. And that is why I say the technology has to be used very properly. Third thing, which is most important, is how to tailor the diet, how to tailor the exercise, and how to tailor the medicine. Now at present we are having glucocentric approach. It should be glucocentric with patient centric. Patient should be kept in center, and accordingly we can manage all his diet, exercise and medications. So this patient centric approach is going to take place, and that is why the next era of precision medicine can be developed. Precision medicine is also an important thing where a person can be prescribed a specific medicine. One more thing, very important thing to be addressed on this platform is at any level, you have to check sugar. So for check sugar, we have a very popular slogan to say, नापो तो जानो. नापो तो जानो एक ये मंत्र है जो इस प्लेटफॉर्म से I want to give to each and everyone. Check to know. And sweet, definitely everyone loves it. But शक्कर से ज्यादा मीठी है जिंदगी. Life is more sweeter than sugar. नापो तो जानो. धन्यवाद.